So we've made it to the ridge line on the Roaches, and we've come to this one side because I'm quite confident we've got some really dramatic skies. They're fabulous, they're absolutely fabulous. And if we get some light coming through, and I'm quite confident it will, we could be in for an epic sunset. So I'm going to get the camera out now. There's a composition I got here early on in the year, which I really love the shot, and I'm going to probably try and get that again. But now, with the light hitting the side of it, could even be better. But these clouds are phenomenal. With Simon, like I say, we've got a workshop in the morning with him, well, tomorrow. But this is just a little bit of me time. And we decided to meet up tonight, and then we'll start off nice and early and get some shoots tomorrow. But for now, it's all about this epicness of epic proportions, epic. So what I'm trying to do at the moment is just frame the lake in the distance. So I'm going to put the sky on the top third. Like I say, it's really dramatic. The light's to the right a little bit, so I might try and incorporate that at the minute. I'm going to grab this shot because it's nice already. And if it can only get better. And then I'm going to focus on the lake, infinity, and get that shot. Bracketed as well. Get all this detail, this drama. It's phenomenal. Right, I know the shots here. Let's just try and work this. Right, okay, so literally, as you can see, I've moved very slightly, and I'm going to try and incorporate the sky a little bit because it's beautiful. So I'm going to come wide. I'm pointing downish towards this heather that's now faded away, but it's really is the light that I'm trying to capture and the drama in the sky. So again, I'm going to focus stack one on the heather because it's quite close, it's only a metre or so away, one on the edge of the ridge, which is about 4 metres away, and then one infinity. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take that one more foreground shot at f11 or even f8, because we're getting a little bit of movement in that foreground. So I'm just going to focus on that again and grab that. Then I'm going to go and have a little look at end cloud, because if the light hits that is going to be unbelievable. Oh, I'm loving this. We've got the weather's coming in from the west there. It's coming over in showers, and we can see them, and they're not lasting long. It's been a rainbow afternoon as well. It's been one of them days. Perfect, absolutely perfect for landscape photography. Okay, I'm going to move over a little bit. Let's move over. Ooh, got a right storm coming. I don't know whether you can see that, guys, but by God, it looks brilliant. That's what we got coming. I'm going to try and capture it because we got that storm with the light trying to come through and this big massive rock in between. Let's try and get it. Can we incorporate the lot? Oh, it's actually quite a nice shot. The only battle I've got is because I'm facing into the storm and it's starting to rain, I'm going to get raindrops all over the lens. This still worth the gamble. Okay, so wipe the lens, take the shot. As this passes through the light that we're getting, you imagine that light coming through this shower. Oh, wow. This shot I've just framed up very quickly as well, and it's framing up the rocks here. Where are we? Just here, just framing it up, and with some rocks in the foreground, and I may just need to come to that left side just to get that gap right in the middle. Focus on the rock. Again, I'm going to go F8 with this one because I only really need the foreground. This is going to be a challenge. It's going to be a challenge, but really is going to be worth it. Get the shot quick. Oh, I got raindrops. Okay. Get it again. There we go, there we go. Look at this drama come through. I'm going to try and capture it as it comes past end cloud, I think. Let's go, let's go. And here it comes, here it comes. Oh dear. Okay, might have to put you away just for a minute. What a beautiful shot that is. I haven't actually captured it yet because I need to cover my camera up. So I'm just gonna get my bag out. Where is it? Here we go. We're getting the light, we are getting the light, as you can see. Let me just drop the polarizer for you just a little bit so you can see. I know it keeps adjusting, but look at that. Let me just move. Look at that for light. Oh, it's phenomenal. Look at it backlighting all these trees. Oh, I've had the long lens on, but I don't want to miss this wider angle shot. But look at it backlighting these trees. I might have to drop the long lens back on at some point. There we go. There we go, that's better. We really are starting to get some phenomenal light. Just need some on the rocks now. Just hope this shower doesn't come in and block it too much. But hey, it is what it is. Look at that. And it's gone still as well. It's gone real quite calm. Got a beautiful storm out there in the distance. Fantastic. It's all about the light. I'll keep shooting because this could be the best conditions. And it's great, it's fantastic, but this could actually be the best. I'm hoping for better, but this could be the best. And again, I think I'm going to move over a little bit more now and try and centralise the lake in the bottom there, and try and, yes, frame that lake. The lake's lovely and framed with this archway of rock. Just little movements can make a massive, massive difference. These are the moments where you really need to be able to be efficient with your camera and know exactly what you're doing. Know it blindfolded, because you need to react extremely quickly. You wouldn't think that the light changes so quick. And compositions come and go with the light, so you need to react. Got beautiful pink skies over Ramshore rocks. Nothing here. Getting a little bit of light casting on the lake there, but that shower that's come over is just where we didn't want it. That is typical of the Roaches. So as you can see, we're starting to lose that light now, and I don't think we're going to get that last light. Sun has actually set. We'll probably give it another 5 or 10 minutes. The mood is superb though. Still got some lovely cloud formation, and I'm just going to move up to where Simon is, and I'm going to catch probably one shot there, see if we do get any last second of light, and then I'm going to finish the vlog. I've enjoyed this. That's been a phenomenal hour. Still haven't got the light on the roaches yet, hitting the roaches. Every time I come here, I get wet. It'll happen, one day, it'll happen. Okay, till next time, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.